Welcome to our eternity. To awaken our consciousness and emancipate us to the actualization of self-determination. Today's eternity is all about Nigerian constitutions. Prior to now, Nigeria has had 6 constitutions: the 1914 amalgamation, the 1946 Constitution, the 1951 Constitution, the 1960 Independence Constitution, the 1963 Republican Constitution, the 1979 Constitution, and the present 1999 Constitution. Our focus today is on the 1999 Constitution, which is a forged, fraudulent, null, void, and dead Constitution. Most people are like, where is it? What is it? What is the bone of contention? The bone of contention and the basis for your exit, Yoruba exit, is all about the Buhoro founding concerning the functionality of the 1999 fraudulent Constitution. Come along with me. Some Nigerians who still believe in one Nigeria don't know the following salient facts about the 1999 Constitution, because the way we are right now, the state of the nation right now, all originated, is facilitated by the 1999 Constitution. So, here are the facts. The 1999 Constitution was written solely by 2 Fulanis, the gap-toothed despot Ibrahim Babangida and Abdulsalam Abubakar. The 1999 Constitution serves as an instrument of oppression and subjugation by which minority Fulanis whip into submission majority non-Fulani ethnic groups. Need I say that these 2 named persons were military personnel, were military heads of state at one time or another. So the 1999 Constitution wasn't a democratic one. The people were not consulted. The people did not participate. Some Nigerians who still believe in one constitution, in one Nigeria, doesn't know the following salient facts of the 1999 Constitution. So let's find out the facts. That is just the background of how the Constitution came to be. It was by Babangida and Abdulsalami Abubakar. The 1999 Constitution was promulgated by the Military Decree 24 of 1999 and was never subjected to any referendum. The 1999 Constitution was written by a selected few that never got the consent of the indigenous nationalities or its representatives. After writing the 1999 Constitution, it was hidden from the public until after the inauguration of former President Olusegun Obasanjo. Funny enough, the 1999 Constitution was not printed by the government press or any known printers in 1999. The 1999 Constitution created a unitary system of government as against the projected federal government, and this forged inefficient, over-centralized government as well as creating over-centralized judiciary which has never been autonomous. Because before we were supposed to be a federating unit. But that 1999 constitution changed our system of government to unitary system. The 1999 constitution falsely and maliciously claims that indigenous nationalities willingly handed over their natural resources to the federal government. I'll take that again. The 1999 constitution falsely and maliciously claims that indigenous nationalities willingly handed over their natural resources to the federal government. Isn't that a contradiction? When in actual fact, they were running a unitary system of government, yet they still rule wicked people. That is the federal system of government. Interestingly, did you know the 1999 constitution calls state governors chief security officers, but at the same time centralized all security agencies and denies the state governors control over any of the security agencies? That explains why the state governors are incapacitated in handling local crimes, because every crime is local. That is why when the Fulani herdsmen terrorizes, unleashes his animalistic nature on indigenous rightful owners of the land, that is why the state governors can't do anything. Interesting. And finally, do you know that the illegitimate 1999 Constitution Section 6, subsection 16 absolves the government from liabilities regarding rights of the citizens as provided in Chapter 2, making these rights not justifiable? This and many more are the reasons why corruption, unaccountability, incompetence, insecurity are institutionalized in Nigeria. Well, you see, that is the 1999 constitution. So this is like the rudiments, because I know a lot of people are like, what is this self-determination thing all about? They don't know where we're coming from, where we at, or where we are heading to. So these are the basics, going back to the basics so as to have a better understanding of what is really going on, what led to what. So it's the 1999 Constitution. It's the 1999 Constitution, although that has been using force majeure, that has been modified, but we'll get that. We'll get that. So today is all about today's eternity. Today's consciousness awakening is all about the fraudulent, forged, known, void, and dead 1999 Constitution. Until I come your way again, Yoruba Nation, we move.